Hey, it's Ron with SMB. Today we're going to be installing our low profile valance for the 17 to 19 Ford Power Stroke. So we've got a 2017 behind me right here. You can see how low this factory valance hangs down. This is modeled after the Tremor style valances that came out on the 20 and up trucks once the Tremor package was introduced. So it's going to fit this truck a lot better. It has a leveling kit and some oversized tires on it and just make this truck look a heck of a lot cleaner up front. We're going to use an 8mm and just start working our way around. This truck was missing a few bolts, but we're just gonna go ahead and pull all of these little 8mm out, and this thing's gonna come right off. So before we drop it, we're gonna get the harness popped out of here. So there's two places right here in my left hand. This clip needs to be popped out from the valance, and then on the right, it's the same thing on the other side. Just take a panel popper tool, and with those two out of the valance, you can wiggle this out of place. Next, I've got a panel popper again, and I'm gonna get these out of the bumper itself. And one of these was already broken off right here. And then that's gonna allow us to fish this up and behind the bumper, and we'll take some zip ties and zip tie it up out of the way. So I've just got two zip ties. I went up to the transmission cooler line on this side, and then one of the coolant lines on the other side, and I'll snip these off. And next we're gonna work on taking an 18mm and removing the factory bumper brackets here. The two 18mm on the outside of the passenger bracket here. So we've got an 18mm here. And we're gonna fish the bracket, the tab bolt out of the frame. Repeat the exact same process on the driver's side. Just go back into place, real easy. It will sit right on top of those tab bolts. And we're gonna grab our 8mm, start in the middle and work our way out. So that wraps up the install. We've got all of our 8mm back in place. Our harness is zip tied up, and just to get the fitment nice and snug against the bottom of the bumper here. So let us know if you have any questions. Overall, pretty straightforward, quick install, just a lot of little 8mm bolts to screw back in.